Hi everyone, so we're just here at our RV storage lot just checking in on the van. But in this video we just wanted to talk about the RV show that we went to last week. It was the Abbotsford Early Bird RV show and it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, we actually spent maybe even more time talking to people there than we did in looking at RVs, and it was great. Several of the folks that watch our channel said hello, and so we had some great conversations. We got to chat to some of the exhibitors and RV dealers that we know previously, so it was just a lot of fun. We really enjoyed it.
Yeah, so we'll cover all that. There's a special treat. Dean Corrigal of Leisure Travel Vans happened to be there, so he showed us one of their new rigs.
We'll say Dean made a cameo appearance.
Yeah, exactly. And then also we did get a chance to chat with the friendly staff from Escape Trailers, so yeah, that was a lot of fun. Got to see Harrison again.
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun to see everybody and meet some other folks.
Yeah. And we'll run through some of the RVs that we looked at. We did like two in particular, so we'll talk about those. So we hope you enjoyed this video. The Early Bird RV show is held annually at the TradeX in Abbotsford, which is about an hour's drive from Vancouver, and it's actually the largest RV show of the year in BC. And there were lots of exhibitors and RV dealers from all over North America. Once inside, we were thrilled to have great chats with a few of our viewers, Anna Lee and Henry, Alex and Pete, and Karen and Dwight. We also stopped by the Northern BC booth to get some tips for a future trip. And we met Dean Corrigal from Leisure Travel Vans again, and he kindly toured us through their new Unity model.
Hey, thanks for dropping by and seeing us. Appreciate it.
Good to see you again.
Yes, it's been a couple years. So this is the brand new toy, the brand new baby. The brand new Unity MBL, first time we showed it in Canada. So a couple really cool things on the outside. We have an optional outside TV for all of our tailgating customers. Got lots of great storage. On the other side of the motorhome, we have another big storage bin. Unfortunately, we can't get over there, but nice big vertical storage bin, guaranteed to hold at least 2 sets of golf clubs, a barbecue, an extra propane tank if you want. So lots of big storage. Yeah, it's lots of fun. So. Of course, this is our Euro Sport exterior color. Each color painted 3 times, 2 coats of clear. And then inside we've got a beautiful new design. So this is what we call the Murphy bed MBL, or the 2.0 Murphy bed. Very cool. This is the leisure lounge area. So this drops down, and look at this. You can have it as a sofa. You can have it as a chaise lounge. You can make it into a beautiful bed area.
Look at the speed. Wow.
Ta-da! 65, 75, built-in headrest for watching TV. Super comfortable 7-inch mattress. Pop-up TV. Awning style windows, night built-in reading lights. It's absolutely fantastic.
Great.
The new MBL. Okay, and then for dinner, you just flip these over like this, and look at this. Dinner, board games, cards, food, computer desk. Drinks. All in one. Drinks. Absolutely fantastic. Let's do that right now. And then we have our fridge. Swings both ways, separate fridge, separate freezer. Cool little pantry. Look at this bathroom. I'm well over 6'2" with my shoes on. Look at this. 6'5" to the top. Beautiful glass shower doors. Absolutely fantastic. Look at the size of this bathroom. Unbelievable. This is an all-in-one. It's not a wet bath, it's a dry bath. Absolutely fantastic. Lots of storage. Look at this, storage. And look at this. You're gonna love this place for your towels.
Nice.
Extra linens. Separate sink. More storage underneath here. Nice mirror. All soft close.
That's a lot of storage.
Yeah, great storage. Of course, privacy door right here.
Nice.
Fantastic.
Perfect. Thanks, Dean.
You're welcome.
We then visited the Escape Trailers area and got to see Harrison again and some of their other staff and had a great chat with them. We also had a quick look at their Escape 5.0 21-foot fifth wheel and the 21-foot travel trailer. We really enjoyed checking out the 2023 Airstream Rangeline 23 campervan. It's actually one of the two rigs that were our favorites at the show. It ticked off a lot of boxes for us. Show price, $179,888 Canadian dollars. It's on a 21-foot Ram 3500 ProMaster chassis like a Road Trexan campervan. It has a sliding screen door which would work better for our cat Finch. Powder-coated running board underneath the sliding door, which even includes a pet leash tether. A dinette with a flexible table system that seats two with 3-point seatbelts for 2 additional passengers. The driver and passenger seats both swivel around to make it a 4-seater table. Open storage cubbies beside the sliding door. What a great place for shoes. Nice storage under the galley, and not shown but comes with a 1,000-watt single-burner induction stove. A stainless steel sink with a residential style faucet, a 0.7 cubic foot microwave, a 3.2 cubic foot fridge and a 0.4 cubic foot freezer, a foldable bed which can be stowed away and tons of storage underneath. The wet bath has a tambour door that slides out of the way when open, a fold down sink faucet, wall mounted mirror, and an exhaust fan. A control panel, and a 270 amp-hour lithium battery system, a Timberline gas-fired hydronic water heater and furnace, and a gas remote start generator underneath the van. The next RV we looked at was also a camper van, the 2023 Jayco Solstice, show price $194,888 Canadian dollars. It's on a 22-foot Ford Transit all-wheel drive 350 HD chassis. It has a wet bath with built-in corner sink, a mirrored medicine cabinet, and exhaust fan. Gordon, at 5'10", can comfortably stand in it. In the galley is a single-burner built-in induction cooktop, stainless steel sink. The power sofa converts into a 68-inch by 76-inch bed, wider but slightly shorter than a standard queen. 24-inch LED TV, a good amount of storage cabinets, and a lagoon table. Next, we looked at the 2023 Nucamp Cirrus 620 truck camper. It's designed for a half-ton truck, and it's 12 feet 8 inches long. Show priced at $57,888 Canadian dollars. It has a 4.6 cubic foot fridge, 2-burner propane stove, stainless steel sink. The bed is 60 inches by 76 inches, so slightly shorter than a standard queen. Has a skylight, a hideaway cassette toilet, real wood cabinetry, and a microwave.
We also had a chance to walk through a great classic camper. Built in the 1970s, it's a slumber queen. And I think when you walk in, you can just tell by the color scheme when it was built. But it's in great condition. We really liked it. It was just a wonderful classic camper. And no, it's not for sale. The dealership just usually has it on display in their showroom. But it's a great camper. Despite its age, it still has everything in it that you actually really need to have a comfortable camping trip. Next, we looked at the Adventurer 80RB truck camper. It's just, I think, 15 feet 8 inches long. Show price was just under $47,000 Canadian. Exterior has an outside shower, large storage compartment, shore power, city water connections, and there's also a 16,000 BTU furnace. Inside, you've got a wet bath with a skylight and exhaust fan, nice roomy dinette. The galley has a 2-burner stove, lots of counter space and a microwave oven, stainless steel sink, and a 4 cubic foot freezer. Quite a nice camper, and 2 of the folks that we talked with at the show actually had a very similar camper and have had it for years and really enjoy it. Next, we looked at the 86 FB truck camper. Show price was just under $50,000 Canadian. Large storage compartment on the side. Walking inside, it's well appointed with a nice galley, 3-burner stove, oven plus a range hood, stainless steel double bowl sink, and quite a roomy dinette. There's a 2-door stainless steel 7 cubic foot fridge and freezer. It's an absorption fridge. And then bathroom's a wet bath with a corner sink and a mirrored medicine cabinet and an exhaust fan. And a mirrored double wardrobe, queen-size bed, and a skylight that they actually call a moonroof. So next we got to look at the Thor Motor Coach Gemini 23 TE Class C, sometimes referred to as a B+. So the show price for this was just, I think, $169,000. Its length is 23 feet 7 inches, and 2 of our viewers that have a very similar model but with a rear bed really liked it. It comes with a O&N generator, the all-wheel drive chassis, which they spoke very highly of, lots of power. Now this particular model has a Murphy bed setup. The folks that we know actually have a rear bed setup, and again, they speak very highly of it. Walking inside, you'll see that in this model there's one slide out and that converts into a queen-sized Murphy bed. Across from that's a TV cabinet and a galley. There's a roomy dry bath in the rear and lots of cabinet space and a window. There's also a large 2-door fridge and a large skylight right above the cab. Next, we actually went and looked at a very small Class A. It's the Thor Coach Axis 24.3. It's about $179,000. Here's one of the large storage compartments. If you walk inside, it looks very much like the Gemini coach that we just looked at. It has one slide out with a sofa that converts also into a queen-size Murphy bed. Except this one also has a dinette where the retractable TV cabinet was. The galley is very similar, has a roomy 2-door fridge and a closet behind it. And because it's a Class A, you get that little extra room in the cab. It's really part of your living area. It's on a Ford 350 HD chassis. So next on our list was the Coachmen 22XG. And it's kind of similar to the RVs that we looked at several weeks ago from Coachmen. This is also a Class C. Show price was just under $138,000 Canadian. And it's on the sort of tried and traditional Ford F450 chassis. Length is 24 feet 3 inches. Once you get inside, you'll see there's a J-shaped dinette, some storage cabinets above that. It has a stainless steel sink, a burner, propane stove, a range hood, and lots of actual space underneath the sink. There's a microwave, a roomy wardrobe closet, and lots of drawers for kitchen items and clothes. There's a dry bath with a sink, cabinets, and an exhaust fan.
Nice big fridge.
Yeah, quite big. Oh, you want to open the freezer?
Yeah.
There's also a fold-up bed, and we really liked the way that this bed worked in the sense that you can put it up and it's out of the way, and then you can, so if you wanted to load heavier or longer items, you can bring it in, and then of course you can move the items out, move the bed back down. And here's the side view. It's kind of a little tight trying to be able to see anything in the RV show when they're all packed into a building. And there, the rear door that we mentioned that could be used to load your gear in. Then we moved on to a camper, and we really like this camper. If we were looking for a truck camper, this is probably the model that we would seriously consider. It's the Northern Light 811 EX wet bath. Show price, just under $73,000 Canadian. Walking in, you've got a 6'3" cubic foot 2-door fridge, a U-shaped dinette with leatherette upholstery. Galley has large stainless steel sink, a 3-burner stove with oven and range hood, and a queen-size bed with a skylight and a wet bath. And what's so great about Northern Light campers is they really are a true 4-season camper. They'll keep you quite warm in cold weather and keep you reasonably cool in hot weather. And last on our list, we did a quick walkthrough, or Mickey did a quick walkthrough of the Renegade Rv Explorer. Now this is a gigantic Super C, so it's almost like a motorhome on a semi-truck. It has 1.5 baths in this case, and even came with a washer and dryer. I think it'd almost be described as a small condominium on wheels.
We really enjoyed the RV show and hope you enjoyed touring some of the RVs with us. And we just want to say a big thanks to Dean again for showing us one of the leisure travel vans.
Yeah, it's always fun. And a special thank you to the folks that said hi to us. It actually really made our day. It was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed the whole RV show and the opportunity to chat with some of our viewers. It was great.
So if you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.